insurance. Funerals are so expensive. I hope Larry can afford it.
I know. That's why I'm glad I got a policy through the Colonial Penn program.
Do you think they have coverage for me? Something that'll fit into my budget?
Yes. You can get permanent coverage for less than 35 cents a day. You won't have to take a physical or answer any health questions. Plus, your cost will never go up and your coverage will never go down.
If you're between 50 and 85, you can get guaranteed acceptance. There are no health questions or medical exam. You cannot be turned down because of your health.
I know.
The Colonial Penn program. Representatives your needs.
I'm definitely going to call about the Colonial Penn program.
Free information and a free gift. Call now.
It's the Oddities Holiday Bazaar Special, Saturday, December 22nd on Science.
Think is making that noise. Santa Claus and his reindeer?
A raging inferno on the surface of Io. Eruptions of ice and nitrogen on Triton. Volcanoes are one of the most destructive forces in